kidding me?
Why do you deserve your $20?
Because the money wasn't meant for you, it was meant for me.
I can't hear you.
The money.
Say it nicely without smiling. And be serious.
The money.
Move your wallet. Why do you deserve the $20?
You're acting like a little kid. You're acting like a little kid.
Stop it. Gu. Hala.
No.
Gu. Gu. Yo chu tao nên gò đoan đi kia. Hala.
You already said
No.
it. You already said it.
I just want my $20.
Elizabeth. Hala. Gu.
Gu.
Hala.
I just want my $20.
Gu.
No, but-
I just want my $20.
If I do it, I get $20.
Hala.
Yeah.
Okay. Birthday card.
Okay, I got this.
Hala. Hala.
Goo. What did I say?
I'm not saying anymore.
I don't know what to say.
Gu. Gu yo.
Guyo. Gunya.
$20.
I don't know.
Guyo gunya. The wrong. I would like my $20. You have to say that, Mom.
Okay, can I make one? No. Can I make loud? I got you, Lolly.
Gu. Sa. Lai.
Nope.
Gu sa.
Nine. Five.
I would like my $20. She gusa like gusa tao.
Gu sa tao. Gu. How do you say $20 in Hmong?
No, I'm not telling you.
For money.
Gu.
$20, I'll say.
Gu đại nha.
Gunya.
Nên gò đoan.
Nên ngủ đoan.
Có hành gì đâu?
Gu sa.
Tao.
Gu sa tao. Gu. Nên nhờ down. Nên nhờ down.
Say that again.
Nên nhờ. I can't say it anymore.
No, rồi nè. Gu sa tao gu đại nha. Nên gò đoan.
Gu sa. I just forgot what you
Gu
said.
sa tao
Gu sa
đại
tao gu dai.
nha.
Yeah.
Nên gò
Nên gao.
đoan.
Nên gao đoan.
Hay hơn gì?
Gu sa. Nhẹ gu đào. Nhẹ nên yào đoan.
Cái hai chữ mạnh này.
No.
One more time then
No.
you get. No, rồi ý rồi quay
Okay.
cô hai rồi
Okay.
nè. Gu sa tao. Gu sa tao that means gu I want my. Gu sa tao gu đại
Uh-huh.
nha. Nên gao đoan. $20 is nên gao đoan.
Gu san đào gu đại nhẹ nên yào down.
Nên gao
Nên gao
đoan.
đoan. Yeah! Yeah!
No! I'm not recording some of it.
Oh my